Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to set up a grid in InDesign. First, let's begin by creating a new document. You will want to define your page dimensions, such as width and height, and set your margins. Think about the number of pages your project requires and whether you need facing pages for a spread layout. This initial setup is crucial for a well-organized design foundation. Next, we will add column and row guides to structure your layout. Navigate to the Layout menu and choose Create Guides. Here, you can specify the exact number of columns and rows you desire for your design. Remember to set the gutter width, which is the space between your columns and rows, to ensure proper visual separation. This step helps establish a clear framework. Now let's configure the baseline grid, which is essential for consistent vertical spacing of text. Head to InDesign, then Preferences, and select Grids. You will adjust the increment every value, often set to your body text leading, for precise vertical alignment. Also, set the start position and threshold for when the grid becomes visible. This ensures your text aligns perfectly across your document. Finally, let's learn how to view and effectively use your newly established grid. You can easily show or hide your grids by going to View, then Grids and Guides. Activating Snap to Grid in the View menu allows objects to align precisely, ensuring a clean and professional look. Utilizing your grid consistently will lead to harmonious and well-structured design layouts throughout your entire project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.